Well, hello good people, here we are at Goolagin Creek, Queensland. I thought I'd stop for some lunch and it looks like a beautiful spot to stop. So let me show you around this small picnic area. It's quite delightful. So it's 36 degrees when I left Chillago this morning. Here it's a bit cooler. So I thought we'd check out the old rainforest. I don't know if you can hear the bugs in the background, but they're certainly singing a tune. Well, it's a lot cooler in here, but apart from the bugs and stuff like that, there's bugs everywhere. So just swap those away. Anyway, let's have a look at a bit of a close-up of some of these plant life. So that's on the ground level. Just work our way up a bit. Of this, it's just beautiful. This moss runs all the way up, all these fallen tree branches. Now the path to walk along here is quite nice. It's smooth, so I guess anyone, including your grandma, could come for a walk along here. Right, so I'm walking along. Let me tell you about an app I got on my phone, which is called GeoTracker. So if I ever walk in the bush, whether it be bushwalking or a motorbike or whatever, I can look to see which directions or which paths I take. So right now I'm just following this path. There's only one path, but if it's split off, I could actually retrace my steps using the GeoTracker. Well, I've walked nearly 2 kilometres. It said 1.75 kilometres to the waterfall. Hope it's here soon. Walked through some cobwebs a couple of times. For all I know, there's like 10 hunchbacks or whatever spiders all over my back, weaving a web, ready to just sink their fangs into me and kill me. I just hope for the best and keep walking anyway. But the good news is I can hear water. I can hear some water, so can't be too far. Right. Obviously a word of warning, the trek down to the bottom of the waterfalls is quite rocky and there are loose rocks, so maybe come with the right kind of shoes, which luckily I've got sneakers on. Well, we've made it, and here we are. Quite spectacular. Alright, let's go this way and see what it's like from the top. Okay, here we are at the top. Obviously we've got to go that direction now, so we will try not to fall over as we scale the rocks. Tell you what, this is probably my hardest assignment yet. Hopefully you guys appreciate it. Oh, I can see me going into this. Look at that, what do you do now? Go over there? See, this is, yeah. Taking it slowly, bit by bit. Right, the jump. Oh. Danger. Oh. Do we have enough energy to scale this? I think it's what it's for. I'm going for it. Oh. Alright. Now what? I don't think I'll be scaling that. Oh. Got to get closer than this. Well, even if you get off the beaten path, I don't see a way to get to the top, so I might have to call it quits. Well, sorry about this, but this is as close as I can get. I've tried to walk around, but all I'm getting is I'm just wearing myself out. So I was hoping to, you know, offer, you know, $50. I'll do a swan dive off the top into the bottom. Yeah, probably wouldn't have done it anyway. But anyway, like and subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more videos.